something that we rarely use but with miraculous health benefits. Today's recipe is a traditional preparation using raw or baby fig, that is, fig before it actually turns ripe. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. This is raw fig. You can find them in clusters. A native and edible variety, these figs are marble-sized and green in color. Select tender ones. If you cannot find them, you might be able to source it from your local vegetable vendor. The ingredients required for the preparation are 500 grams of raw fig, 3 medium-sized onions, sambar powder, small gooseberry-sized tamarind, oil, mustard, split black urad dal, salt, and curry leaves. Take the fig, separate each fig from the cluster. Raw fig has got miraculous health benefits which many people are not aware. Remove the stem from each fig. You can see the milk oozing out from the stem. The black spots are formed when the milk comes in contact with the fig. Fig is high in fiber, helps relieve constipation and treat all vata related disorders. Once all the figs are separated, add to a bowl. Fig also helps control blood sugar levels, helps treat infertility in men and women, and aids in weight loss. Add water. Wash 2 to 3 times and drain the water. Take a mortar and pestle, add the washed tender fig to the mortar. Crush using a pestle. Add the crushed pieces to water. Wash and drain. Though more commonly found in the fruits, washing helps to remove small insects that might be present inside, if any. Take a clay pot, add water. When the water starts boiling, add the crushed fig pieces. Fig helps cure ulcers in the mouth and stomach. When had without the spice, it helps cure dysentery. It also helps maintain body temperature. Allow it to boil. Close with a lid and cook on medium heat. When it is 3/4 cooked, open the lid. Add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons salt or according to taste and add the tamarind extract. Mix well. Close the lid and cook for some more time. Open to check. The water has fully evaporated now. To see if it is fully cooked, crush the fig in between your fingers. If cooked, it will get easily crushed. Switch off the stove. For the preparation, take 3 medium-sized onions. Peel and chop them fine. The more onions you add, the better the taste of the curry. Heat a kadai. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of cold-pressed sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of split black urad dal. When the urad dal changes color, add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add the finely chopped onions. Fry until the onions turn transparent. Once the onions turn transparent, add 3 tablespoons of sambar powder. If you do not have sambar powder, you can add chili, coriander, and cumin seeds powder. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt. I have already added salt at the time of cooking the fig, so I am adding only half a teaspoon here. Mix until the raw smell of the sambar powder goes. Now add the cooked fig to which tamarind and salt has been added. Fig helps regularize the menstrual cycle in women, treat uterine diseases and Leucorrhea. It helps treat arthritis and relieves muscle spasm. Rich in vitamin C and iron, it also helps treat anemia. Fry until the onions and spices are mixed well. Serve with hot rice and ghee. Beneficial to all, raw fig is an antioxidant, blood purifier, and a coolant that will keep you young, energetic, active, and healthy. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.